There's the fun wagon. Every time I hook it up, it's bound to have fun. This is how we load the trike. There you go, she's in, let's go. This is how you unload the trike. Ow, like that. See if she fires up again. Now that I brought it all the way out here. Cold yet. Yeah. Dang it, it's a little top heavy with me on it, that's for sure. That about sums that up. I don't know, I think I got it working not too bad. Yeah, zoom zoom. Chinese carb. A little bit of tweaking. So, went ahead and got this little droney boy off Amazon. Contixo. I know absolutely nothing about it other than it folds up. And it had some pretty good reviews. If I can figure out how to do it, and if it's any good, I'll throw a link in the description. So this is it folded out. I already put an SD card in there. It's good up to 32 gigabytes. Here's the battery. You can buy extra batteries. I think it says it's good for 20 minutes of flight time, something like that. So it comes in a nice case, very nice case actually. Here's the controller, folds out, has a rechargeable battery, it's mini USB, micro USB I guess. There's those guys. This guy flips out, holds your phone. Let's go see how we start it up. So I've downloaded the app. We just have to, I just scanned that barcode with my phone and it got me that app. Set the drone down on a level surface. Probably not inside my truck. Let's do some tailgating here. Tailgates are level, right? Always. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. Oh. But I don't know what to do once it's in the air. Oh, this is madness. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh. Into the snow. That's crazy. Okay, let's read some more instructions here. Okay, stop. Please. No. No more. Let's go up again. Got some snow on her. Trike back to the truck. Cold again. You're going way too far here, man. Come closer. Hey. Oh, there it is. Scared me. Why are you going so far away? Come back. Come back. This is so new to me. That didn't last long. Where did it go? No. Oh, it's still there. Jeez. Scary guy. Okay. Come on back. Come here. Whoa. Good thing I'm wearing my helmet. Come on. It's getting windy now. Oh, I need my phone for what I wanted to do. Well, I only crashed it once. Sweet. Got it all boxed up now. That was my first time flying a drone, being around the drones, my total first time, total new experience. Let me know what you think about it. I got a lot to learn, obviously, and yeah, let me know what you think, and if you have any recommendations or any tips or pointers for learning this thing, that'd be greatly appreciated. I'd love to talk about it. And as for the trike, it runs. It's not perfect. There's a few parts that I don't know if I can find for it, but we'll try. We might try and fix it up. I'm not sure yet. It's kind of old. It's kind of junk, but people like that. So do I. So till next time. Man, I love trikes.